Good morning friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. Good morning. So today we are making another mouth-watering recipe and it's Subway, and you're all going to like it because I'm making of three different types. I have put lot of veggies and I have put lot of sauces to enhance its flavor. And in the community I asked my friends to guess the dish of today. So Jeet Kumari told that I'm making hot dog or burger, so I think she was very close to it. So thanks a lot, love to you. Alice Utopian World said that I'm making some sweet dish, so thanks for guessing, love to you also. And Justin, who has channel JVK Talk and Music, guessed that I'm making sarson ka saag or aloo parantha. So definitely in near future I'm going to make sarson ka saag because I love it. I'm just waiting for a good quality sarson to come and I will make it with makki roti. So thanks for guessing it, love to you also. So friends, come on, let's see the video and do tell us in the comment section how you like it, and I'm sure you are all going to love it. So bye bye, let's see. So friends, we'll tell you the ingredients. This is garlic loaf and this is multigrain, and this is a very small sub we'll make, mini sub. And this is falafel, and you can go through the recipe of falafel through my earlier videos. And this is potato, and I mashed it, put some breadcrumbs in it and make it. And now these are different sauces. This is tomato, this is honey mustard, this is veg mayonnaise, this is tandoori sauce, cheese sauce, and that is jalapeno sauce. And we have taken some nachos, and this is paneer or cottage cheese. We will make one patty out of it also. So let's see how we will make it. So friends, we will crush them into small pieces. These are nachos. We will crush them. You can use mixie also, but that becomes very fine, so we don't want that much fine. So I've crushed it with my hand. And now we have taken this cottage cheese and we'll slice it like this. We will keep this aside, and we'll make two patty out of it. And now I will tell you what to do. We have taken a mixture of besan and corn flour. Now we'll add small portion of salt. You can add according to your taste. And then we will also add some amount of this is dry garlic, and some small portion of chili flakes, and with water we'll make a mixture out of it. By adding water we will make a mixture. So friends, we have made the mixture. We will dip in it. We don't have to make a very thick, it should be a little bit thin. Okay, we will cover it nicely from both the sides, and now we will dip this in nachos. See, and then afterwards we will fry it like this. We'll get ready the another patty also. So friends, our patties are ready, and we will keep it in the fridge for 5 to 10 minutes so that they may settle down. And in the meantime, we will fry our falafel and potato roll. So friends, now we will fry our falafels. We will fry until they become golden brown. So Friends, our falafels are ready. See, they are crisp from both the sides. Such a nice and lovely color they have. So we'll take them out. Friends, now we will fry them also. So friends, our potato roll is also ready. And now we will fry the cottage cheese patties. So our cottage cheese patties are also ready. We'll take them out. So friends, we have taken cucumber, this is tomato, all color bell pepper, and this is lettuce. And now we will make the Subway. So friends, now we will cut our bread into 2 equal halves. This is our garlic bread, and now we will prepare its stuffing. So friends, we have cut it like this. Now we will first of all we'll put mayonnaise. Now we will add a slice of cheese, and now we have taken lettuce. I washed it very nicely. These are very healthy and looks amazing also in the appearance as well as its color. And now we will put bell peppers, see, you can add whatever you like. And now I will add cucumbers. I just love cucumbers. It's so healthy because it is full of vegetables. And now we'll put some amount of sauce, and this is jalapeno sauce, and we'll put some honey mustard. This is my favorite and I like it a lot. Then we'll put 1 layer of tomatoes. That's it. And now we will put our falafels over them. If you want, you can put more. So friends, now we have put our falafels also, and now we will add some tomato sauce. You can use chili also, but I am having a little bit sore throat, so I am using all the sweet sauces. And this is tandoori sauce. This is also very tasty. And so our this is done, and we'll cover it like this. So our one Subway is ready. See, it's looking so yummy. So friends, now we will put a little amount of sauce in the beginning only. I just love, this is honey mustard. I just love it. It's a very good flavor. And now we'll put the lettuce. So it's up to you what kind of veggies you can want to put. In this we'll put little veggies. Like this. And here we will put capsicums. You can put onion also if you want. And now 1 layer of tomatoes. So now we have taken the paneer patty, and we have taken some olives which we'll put on top of it. See, our olives. And now we will put our sauces. So we'll take some tomato ketchup. See, like this. The more you take sauces, the more it will enhance the flavor. See, this is jalapeno, and it gives a very wonderful taste. And now we'll put a small amount of honey mustard again. This is my favorite. I was not able to get sweet onion, but that is also very amazing. And we'll put one leaf over it like this, and we will cover it. So see, such a beautiful Subway is ready. See, so friends, this is our mini cute for me. So we'll spread it like this, and this is cheese, and now we'll put 2 leaves, small leaves of lettuce like this. Okay, and now we will take this. See, it will be like this. So friends, we have made this ready, and see, we have made a beautiful design like this, and we'll put some olives here and there. So a cute and mini Subway is ready to eat. So friends, you have seen I made it with so much love and affection. I like making it a lot because a lot of vegetables are used in it, and it is very healthy. So this is falafel sub, this is aloo roll sub, and this is cottage cheese sub, and all are looking so tempting. Do try it and do tell me in the comment section how you like it. And next time we'll try to bring more tempting, more mouth-watering recipe. Up till then, goodbye, love you all, and take care. See you next week.